shit.
You are watching a master at work.
Yo everybody, hello family. Today we're gonna put in our push rods in this dude. Push rods and our rockers. Gonna be Gucci. I'm gonna use the old, what is it, EOIC, exhaust open, intake closed. So we're gonna do that. I got all the rockers in that box with the TSP trunnion upgrade. I got the push rods in there, chromoly hardened 7.4, blah, 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 and then I got my little reference book. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I don't know if these are pre-lubed, but they kind of look like it, but I'm still going to lube anyway. So.
I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice that sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think.
Alright, so I think I got all the rockers tightened after a lot of frustration for about an hour, just kind of looking. Alright, so basically now I'm just going to do the LS1 intake gaskets. I have those in there. So it's this. Comes with a little 3M sticky thing, which is good. Alright, so basically you just install your new gaskets and pads. And come over here. Line up your buddies. Like so. There's 5 bolts on each side. I don't know the tech specs, but we'll find out. shit. Alright, so basically what you want to do on used parts is don't follow the torque specs, because you'll do that. So I got some washers in here, and what I'm okay, it only went into the base, which is fine, and I'm going to panel bond or BuiLd, I guess, some kind of plastibond on the actual piece, and then it'll stay. The rest are tight, so I think I'll be okay. But yeah, that was kind of a scary moment because this intake's not cheap. Even if it is used, you know, LS1 stuff is expensive. So, but yeah, so far, minus that, I think we'll call it a success. Pretty much go from there with the whole LS intake manifold. The only thing I gotta figure out, honestly, is the oh, I could probably do that. The steam vent stuff. I could probably figure that out. That'd be easy. Yeah, that might fit under there. Alright, yeah, so I got a check flow steam vent kit coming. Worst case scenario, I'll just run it over here. I don't really care. It'll work. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This is the LS intake manifold install, valve cover install, and rocker install. Let me know what you think.